Hi there, this is Pratyusha from Progs and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will be sharing how to make a heart-shaped home decor piece featuring quilled roses. Do you know how many quilled roses I used here? Take a wild guess. I hope you guessed it right. I used about 200 quilled roses to make this beautiful home decor piece. So let's dive into the process of making it. First step is to make the base onto which all the quilled roses will be glued to. So I take some sculpture paste and shape it to form a heart. I then let it dry for about 24 hours. Once dried, I used crimson red acrylic paint to paint over the heart shape. It's now time to start the process of adhering each of the quilled roses to the base using Fevicol. If you already do not know how to quill roses, I will leave a link to the tutorial here on the screen or in the description box. Do check that out. I am adhering roses to all the sides of the heart shape. To fill any gaps, I use smaller quilled red roses. So this is how the quilled rose heart looks like once 200 roses are adhered. It's time to add the tassel at the bottom and the ribbon hanging on the top. So let's first do the tassel. I take an eye pin of sufficient length and add a 2 mm silver ball. Next I add a quilled rose and then again a 2 mm silver ball. I cut the excess of the eye pin off and make a loop on the other side. I then adhere this to the bottom of the heart like I adhered the other quilled roses. I then slide the tassel into the loop and close it. Since the tassel was handmade, there was a bit of a ragged edge, so I cut it straight using my scissors. So that completes the assembly of the tassel. For the ribbon bow and hanging on the top, like before, I make the loop with the eye pin containing 2 silver balls and quilled rose. I make a knot in the ribbon and slide it into the loop and adhere this to the heart like I adhered the other quilled roses. On top of that, I adhere the bow. As a finishing touch, I add some brushed metal gold highlights onto the quilled red roses. So this is how the project finally turned out. Hope you enjoyed the process and do give it a try. In case of any queries, leave them in the comment section below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. Until next time, keep crafting and spreading smiles. Bye.